In today's video, you will learn in 8 quick steps how to get more FPS and speed up games on BlueStacks, optimizing performance and fixing FPS drops on BlueStacks on your low-end PC. Hey, what's up? I'm Victor and welcome to another video of this channel. In the first step, you enable the Hyper-V virtualization on your Windows, and this feature will make BlueStacks use all the power of your CPU, running faster and optimized. First, press the keys Windows and R on the desktop. In the field Open, type Control Panel and then click on OK. In the option View by, select Category. After that, click on Programs and then select Programs and Features. Now click on Turn Windows Features on or off and then check the option Hyper-V and click on OK. And lastly, just click on Restart Now to restart your computer and apply the changes. In the second step, you will set high priority on BlueStacks to make your computer dedicate more performance to BlueStacks, increasing performance and reducing FPS drops and stutter. First, download the file High Priority BlueStacks by using the link in the description below. After that, unzip the file to your desktop by using WinRAR. Now right click on the file High Priority, select Show More Options and then click on Merge. After that, click on Yes and OK to enable the high priority on BlueStacks. And if you want to undo this change and restore the default priority, just merge the file default priority. In the third step, you will disable full-screen optimizations on BlueStacks because this feature can cause performance issues on BlueStacks. To do that, open the File Explorer. After that, navigate to Local Disk C, Program Files, and BlueStacks. Now find the file 8D Player and then right-click on it and select Properties. After that, select the tab Compatibility. Now check the option Disable Full-Screen Optimizations and lastly click on Apply and OK to save the change. In the fourth step, you will stop the background apps on Google Chrome and Windows to prevent these apps from consuming your computer resources and slowing down the performance on BlueStacks. First, press the keys Windows and R on the desktop. In the field Open, type dpedit.msc and then click on OK. After that, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and then App Privacy. Now double-click on the option Let Windows Apps Run in the background, then check the option Enabled in the upper left corner. Now in the option Default for all apps, select Force Deny, and lastly click on Apply and OK to save the change. Now open your Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the upper right corner and then select Settings. After that, select the section System, and lastly, just uncheck the option Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. In the fifth step, I will show you two high-performance options to enable on Windows to increase FPS on BlueStacks. First, right-click on the desktop and then click on Display Settings. Now select the option Graphics. After that, in the field Search this list, type BlueStacks, then click on BlueStacks, click on Show More Options, select High Performance, and click on Save to enable High Performance Graphics mode. After that, press the keys Windows and R on your desktop. In the field Open, type Power CFG.cpl and click on OK. Now select the power plan High Performance, and if this power plan doesn't appear on your computer, just click on Create a Power Plan, then select the option High Performance, type High Performance in the name of the power plan and click on Next, and lastly click on Create to create the power plan and enable it on your computer. In the sixth step, you will do the defragmentation process if you use an HD or the optimization process if you use an SSD to avoid fragmented files from causing performance issues in your BlueStacks. First, download and install Defraggler by using the link on the description below. After installing, open Defraggler. In the list of drives, select Local Disk C, then in the lower corner, click on Defrag if you use an HD or Optimize if you use an SSD. Now read this warning and then click on Yes to start the process, and lastly you must wait for the process to finish. In the seventh step, I will show you some settings in the NVIDIA control panel if you use an NVIDIA graphics card to get more FPS and less frame time and input latency on your BlueStacks. First, right-click on the desktop, click on Show More Options, and then select NVIDIA control panel. After that, select the section Manage 3D Settings. In anisotropic filtering, I recommend you selecting Off. In anti-aliasing mode, select Off, because if enabled, this feature will make games on BlueStacks look looks better, but we reduce the FPS. In low latency mode, select Ultra to reduce the input lag in games on BlueStacks. In power management mode, select Prefer Maximum Performance to allow your system to use its full performance on BlueStacks. In texture filtering quality, I recommend that you select High Performance, and lastly just click on Apply to save the changes. In the 8th and last step, you will learn the best settings for your BlueStacks to make BlueStacks faster and maximize its performance on low-end PC. First you open your BlueStacks, now open the settings by clicking on this gear in the lower right corner, then select the section Performance. In the option CPU Allocation, I recommend that you select Medium to make your BlueStacks use half of your CPU cores. In Memory Allocation, select High to remove any limitations using your computer's RAM on BlueStacks. In Performance mode, select High Performance to allow BlueStacks to use your computer's full performance, and then click on Save Changes and restart your BlueStacks to modify the other options. After that, select the section Display. In your BlueStacks display resolution, select 960 by 540 because lower resolutions can better FPS on BlueStacks if you play on low-end PC. Then click on Save Changes and restart your BlueStacks. After that, select the section Graphics and then check the option Prefer Dedicated GPU if available to make BlueStacks use your dedicated graphics card, increasing performance. And lastly, click on Save Changes and restart your BlueStacks to apply all the changes. And that was the video. If you want to boost and optimize performance in your games, you can subscribe to this channel and then always learn new methods when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.